Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about waterless washing and how do you know when your car is too dirty or when is it safe to do a waterless wash. Basically, we're going to be using HyperClean's Echo 1. I've got a concentrate here and I've got it made into a 32-ounce bottle. And we're going to go ahead use this as our waterless wash. Now, Echo 1 has Slick in it from their lineup. That's a silica spray, so it really seals up the paint, washes it as a waterless, seals it as a final, and just leaves it nice and slick and glossy. So we're good with the product. Now let's go take a look at the car. I'm going to show you how dirty the car is, and we're going to talk about some things when it's too dirty, if it's what helps to do a waterless wash, things like that. So let's go take a look. Before we get into this, hit that like and subscribe button and press the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the new videos we're putting out. Let's go get into this video. Okay, so here's my car. It's been raining, you know, you see the sky. We got clouds everywhere. And you can see there's just tons and tons of splatter. I have no idea how this happened, probably driving on the freeway. You know, it's all along the whole side of the car. It's all over the wheels. It's everywhere. All right, so you've even got some weird little sticky kick-up stuff there. A lot of grime. So first things first, how do you know or when should you do a waterless wash? Number one, if your car has not been paint corrected and it's all full of marring and scratches, by all means, waterless wash it. It's not going to hurt anything. It already looks bad. You're just trying to clean it up. Sorry guys, that's just the truth of the matter. Now, if you've paint corrected it, then you want to make sure that you've put some type of sealant, wax, or coating on the vehicle. So some type of protection on there after you paint corrected it, and that's going to seal the paint. It's going to make it slicker for when you spray on this waterless wash. Another thing you could look for is, do you drive a white car or do you drive a dark car? Marring and scratches are going to happen or be less visible on a white car. So you'll see them more on a darker car. Another thing you want to look for is there big amounts of dirt on the vehicle. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you have dirt that's stuck on the car like this, you know, this may be a bit painful. You might have to rub hard and get in there. You might have to rub hard to get that dirt off there. And you don't want to be mashing down. Waterless washing is just spraying, lubricating, breaking up that dirt and debris, and then lightly lifting the towel as you go down and flip the sides and lift again. It's not pressing down and smashing the dirt in. So that other car over there might be a problem for you. All right, so we've got our waterless wash. We've got a few towels. It's probably gonna take more than that, but we're gonna start with that. Let's get going. All right, so we've got our waterless wash. We've got our dirt all here. So because this car is protected, I expect a lot of the grime and top layer of dirt to rinse off. So we're gonna spray. Now take a look at that. There's still a little bit of dirt, but look how much has rinsed off. Let's move it up here. how we do on this part. Wow, lot better. Let's put it up over here. Now normally I would start at the top, but I was just showing you guys. Now I've gone through a pretty good amount of product here, but you know, better safe than sorry. So now I've gotten about half the hood. I got my towel, I'm gonna spray some on my towel here. Now I'm gonna start wiping and lifting as I go down. Now I got something yellow, some little pollen there. So I'm just gonna flip right away. I'm not worried about the towels or having to do laundry. I'm gonna wipe and lift. Now this time I'm gonna flip around, lift. Now I've got a dry side. I'm gonna come back, dry this panel. Everything is clean, so I can just go right over it. Dry, 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 still clean. So now I can move on to a further section with the same clean side. Okay, so you can see it's nice and dirty here. I'm gonna start at the top. I'm gonna rinse my way down, coming down, coming down, coming down. Okay, I've got my towel, gonna wet it, start at the top, work my way down, flipping it, work my way down, rotating, work my way down. There's plenty of lubrication. I'm gonna flip to a dry side, dry. Come back, work my way around, work my way around, flip the towel around, now watch this area down here. Look how much of this we get off. Spray the towel, wipe. Now that's pretty dirty, so let's get 2 wipes, and then we're gonna flip the towel inside out and start with some clean sides here. Now it's super dirty, so we're definitely gonna flip around. Get inside there, get underneath here. Good. Okay, and we have now cleaned all the front. Very nice, clean. Everything looks good. Easy. That's with the waterless wash and 1 towel. All right, so I pretty much finished most of the Echo 1 in there. Now I put some DIY rinseless wash that I had laying around inside here. Let's go try this out. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see the dirt on here. We're gonna go ahead and spray down this. Now this is a little bit more caked on, but nonetheless, we're rinsing, rinsing, rinsing. We've got our towel here. We're gonna wet down and I'm gonna wipe. Gonna flip. Gonna flip back over and dry. Spray some. We're gonna hit the bottom. Dry here. Boom. Done. Now you can look, see. Super dirty. Let's go back here. Let's do this area. Perfect. All right, so far we've used Echo 1, worked really well. Rinseless wash from DIY Detail, nice foam action. Let's try out some American Detailer Garage Wipeout. I've got it made there. Now you can see how much product I'm going through. These are 32-ounce bottles. I've probably been through 1.5 now. And I still have the passenger side and the back to do. I've done all the front and the driver's side. So probably 3 32-ounce bottles. That's 96 ounces by the time I'm done. And not really counting the glass, but I could probably get away with it inside there. All right guys, we're gonna start with the top, work our way down. And if you wanted to spray from the bottom up, that's fine too. Help get it started down there. That will work. We've got a fresh towel here. Let me wet it. Start wiping. Gonna flip. Gonna flip again. All right, we've got it super dirty, so we're gonna start with the fresh side and dry. Okay, and last but not least, we've got some dirty wheels here. We're just gonna spray down liberally. Now I use a spray and rinse type of product on here, something like a McKee's Hydro Blue or a Geon Wet Coat every now and then. So it's very easy to rinse this dirt off. Get your wheel towel, wipe them down. Okay guys, hope you liked the video. It's hot out here, I'm sweating, it's humid. We did waterless washing on the whole vehicle in the sun. We used 3 products, HyperClean, Echo 1, DIY Detail, Rinseless Wash, and American Detailer Garage Wipeout. We made them all into waterless formulas. We used about 3, little less than 3 of these. These are 32-ounce bottles, so probably about 2. If you add these together, you might have a whole one. So we used about 64 ounces total around the car. I did not do all the glass. My car's a Tesla, it's got a lot of glass, so maybe finish this bottle up for the glass. Anyway, easy products to use. Waterless wash can be done. You always want some protection to make it easier. You want to drench the panels. If you have protection, it'll rinse a lot of that product off. You drench your towel, you wipe and lift, turn to fresh sides, and you dry section by section, especially in the heat. It can be done. You can do the wheels as well. You grab another towel and do the same thing. Spray the wheels and wipe and dry. Guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope I can turn you on to waterless washing and how easy, fun, and fast it is. Thanks for watching. We'll talk later.